Hello guys, how to fix if downloaded WhatsApp media not showing in Android device gallery. And to fix this issue, simply launch WhatsApp Manager and click on the more options icon at the top right corner of the screen, three dot. From the little menu that pops up, click on settings option. Now on the settings screen, click on the chat option. On the chat screen under the chat settings section, turn the toggle button to on against the option media visibility. This should instantly enable showing the downloaded WhatsApp media on your gallery. Later, if you want to disable this, simply go and disable this toggle button against media visibility. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes. Launch WhatsApp and click on the more options icon located at the very top right corner of the screen as three dot. Click on the settings option next. From the settings screen, click on storage and data option. Now under the media auto download section, click on the option that say when using mobile data. Here you will find three options: when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. You should open one by one each. At first we will open when using mobile data. Here choose photos, select it and click on OK. Do the same for the second option when connected to Wi-Fi, and when roaming option under the media auto download section. Open all threes and click on photos and galleries and press OK. Now if your problem is still, then go to your internal storage section and check internal storage space. In the my files on some other phones, file manager etc, we will find internal storage section, and you should have at least 500 MB of storage available, though it is preferred to have at least 1 GB of storage remaining always. The next solution is update WhatsApp Messenger. Go to the Play Store, click on WhatsApp using search bar and open WhatsApp Manager application. You also click on update available. If WhatsApp not showing on this option, it means your WhatsApp is duly updated, and if not updated, you here in I don't have the update button available because WhatsApp application is up to date. Now the next workaround is delete the no media file. Launch the my file applications, click on the internal storage, press the search bar at the top of the screen, start typing WhatsApp on the search bar and click on WhatsApp folder. From the search result appears. Now from the right top corner, click on the three vertical dots icon. Now click on the settings option from the list of options available. Under the section file management, turn the toggle button corresponding to the option show hidden system files. Click on back button from the left top corner. You will be able to see all the hidden files here. Open the dot shared folder. Click on it. Inside the dot share folder, you will find the option dot no media file. Simply select it and press the delete button. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. That's all.